Hi, I'm Nick with LED Inspirations, and we're learning to set up a new Casambi system. In previous videos, we've learned to create a network, pair fixtures to it, and turn them on, off, dim them up, down. In this video, we're going to learn to use scenes, which I believe is one of the most powerful features the app has. So we're going to turn the app on. Notice it immediately finds the network. We can turn all the fixtures on and off. And so on the third tab, it says Scenes. We're going to pretend we have a restaurant and we want to set the restaurant up to have different scenes for, say, lunch and for dinner. So the lunch scene, we want to program something that's very fun and festive. Now, I've already programmed some of these scenes in, so let me show you those and then I'll teach you how you can program your own. So the lunch scene, we set it up to be very festive. You notice all the different colors. But then moving into the dinner scene, we wanted something more romantic, something more amber. Picture candles on the table, and so when you touch the dinner scene, all the lighting goes into a beautiful amber, kind of dimmed down. We have a scene called cleaning. After the restaurant would close, you want all the lights to be on full bright. And so those are just the power of some of the different scenes. You can think through all the lighting settings separately for how you'd use that space for that function and then program it into a scene. Very powerful. So let's program our own scene. We're going to go up here into Edit, and then we're going to hit plus, and we're going to add a scene. At this point, it shows you all the fixtures that are available. Let's create a scene called Off. And so this will be the end of the day. You click the Off scene and it turns everything off for you. So you can see which fixtures you want to add into this. You can touch them individually, or in the bottom right-hand corner, you can select all. So it's select all of the fixtures. So at this point, you can control any one fixture. You can do the tap hold, change colors, whatever you wanted to do. But what we're going to do instead is we're just going to turn them all off, and then we're going to save this as the off scene. In the bottom right hand corner it says settings. By the way, notice on this screen this is where you could do things like circadian rhythm. And so I'm going to call this the off scene, OFF. I'm going to select done, and I'm going to select done. So now notice we have the off scene. So now we can work our way through them. Here's lunch, here's dinner, here's the cleaning scene, and then here's the off scene. So you can bounce between scenes, and this would be a great way to set it all up. And then when you add a user who can't change any of the network settings, but you want them to be able to set the restaurant accordingly to scenes that you've already set, they'd have access to this menu and they could control it that way. Thanks for watching.